Hello everyone, welcome to my cold studio on a winter's day. Oh boy. Anyway, here's the latest in my series of flying birds, and this time we've got a circus of flying puffins. Now, I've really rattled through the black and white glass during the making of this series. The crows were black, of course, the swans were white. This time we've got the puffins, which are black and white. Originally I just had one wing. I almost said fin because my friend Ian Ellery said they look like sharks with just one wing. So he's a cartoonist, so he should know. So I added the second wing, and I think that's improved it vastly. I wanted them to look funny, of course, like clowns, because they're a circus, and I think it succeeds. The blue is really lovely. It's my favourite colour, and I think it really suggests the weather, the coldness, which today we don't need any reminding of, but there we are. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. A circus of flying puffins. The collective noun for puffins is a clown, because their comic faces look like they're fooling around. But standing on a cold cliff face and staring at nothing, well, it can't be much fun being a puffin.